Hello friends, how are you? Hope all my friends are well and stay well. I will be encouraged if you are by my side. If by my side, watch my videos and comment. I wish all my friends from home and abroad good health. I want to show here that the life of the bull in the music of India. These bulls roam much more freely than the cows that are tied up indoors. Although there are many hardships in their lives, they have to overcome many adversities to lead their lives. I am showing an exceptional bull with a huge tumor on his head. She looks too good to have this tumor. These bulls roam freely and have to fight with humans for food. Their life is very difficult during monsoon days. Friends, you will be on the side of this stupid creature. They do not understand whose harvest. They only know that all the trees in nature are their food. They survive by eating these foods.